Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro, and in this video we're going to be looking at the credit coupons. So this is a fairly recent feature we've just added, and it lets us apply a coupon on the checkout or on the cart that's going to reduce the amount we need to pay on the actual final order. So I'll give you a working example here. We've got a credit balance of 120 here. This product is 20 credits, right? So say we wanted to add that to the cart. We go view the cart, and we proceed to check out. And you can see if we checked out of this now, it would reduce our credit balance from 120 to 20, right? That's pretty straightforward. Now we can apply a coupon here, and I have a coupon called, if I remember correctly, credit 10, I think. Let's apply that coupon. So that's going to reduce our total that we need to pay by 10 credits, right? So all we now need to pay is 10 credits. So if we now place that order, it's going to reduce this balance to 110 credits. And I'll just place the order. And you can see we've got a coupon in this order that says credit 10 credits, right? So we've only paid 10 credits. And if we go to our account, view our orders, you can see the credit balance is 110 up here, and you can view that order. It was only for 10 credits, right? So that's straightforward. That's pretty cool. We've got a nice new feature with coupons, but let's run through that again with a higher cart total so we can see how it reduces the outstanding balance with a higher value in the cart. So if we go back to the shop, and say this is 111 credits, right? So let's just add that one to cart. Now I've removed the check on the cart, so this is added to the cart straight away. So there's no check in place for not enough credits, right? Basically, we're going to get to the checkout, proceed to checkout. Obviously, we can't check out, right? So 111 credits, 110. If we try and place the order, you don't have sufficient credits, right? So, remember we've got a coupon. So this time let's try credit 50. Okay, so that's now reduced our outstanding balance to 61 credits. And we obviously have enough credits, so let's just place that order. And you can see here the order's gone through. It's the 61 credits total, and obviously the coupon that was on the order is 50 credits. So we can effectively reduce our balance to zero if we've got a high enough coupon. And these coupons are really quite simple to set up, and I'll show you how this is working inside the site. So if we come in here into coupons, and you can see those two coupons that I'd already created. So if I just add another coupon here, and they're pretty much set up the same way as you would any other coupon. So let's just give this a new code, credit 20, for example. And then we're going to select from here, credit award. So essentially this is awarding us an amount of credits on the checkout when we use that coupon. And this is going to award us 20 credits. Then you can set your expiry as you want, allow free shipping and all that, set any restrictions as needed, and set any usage limits. So it's pretty much the same as any other coupon, except we've just got this discount type, which is the credit award. And we're basically awarding the customer this amount of credits to use on the checkout. So if I just publish that again, and we go back to the site, and we're back here on the shop page, and say we wanted to use our coupon, we're going to add this to cart. Let's add it again, Let's go to checkout, right? So we should have probably more in the cart than we wanted. Obviously, yeah, 60 credits. We've only got 49. So yeah, we can use our new coupon. Credit 20. Okay, so now it's removed our balance. Well, it's reduced our balance down to 40 credits. We've got enough credits to pay for that, and we just place that order. Now, if we are using a coupon that's higher than the cart balance, let's go back to the shop. Okay, so we've got 9 credits left, and we want to add this to cart, and obviously it's 20 credits. So let's just add that to cart. And we go to our checkout. Or say we go on the cart page itself. right? So we're on the cart page, and obviously we've got 9 credits, that's 20 credits, but we remember we've got a coupon. We've got a coupon that's basically credit 50, right? Okay, now we've got 0 credit that we need to fork out. Yeah, it's applied that, but we've realized, oh, we've got 50 credits available and we've only added 1 item to the cart. So we can actually add another item to the cart, update that cart. And then obviously within that credit balance that we have, we could potentially add another, but then we would still require 10 credits, right? So you can see how it calculates on the checkout. We've only got 9 available, so we wouldn't be able to check out with that. So we can update the cart. But the key thing here to remember is that the customer can only spend what is available on that coupon at that time. They're not going to get these credits added to their account after, right? So if we proceed to checkout, they're going to spend this coupon with the 50 credits. Obviously, they're going to spend the 40 credits, but they're not getting the additional 10 credits. So they'd have to use all those credits in that single session. But basically, the coupons are going to reduce the amount they need to pay on the checkout. Overall, it's a nice little tool you can use in your marketing for just giving out coupons to customers, use them as an incentive or for promotions or special offers. So yeah, nice new little feature we've added, and I hope you enjoy using it. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick in all the videos that you're probably going to see just to keep reminding you. And also, if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.